In this video we are going to put our name on our picture as well as create a watermark effect. First thing to do is to go to the text tool, which is right here, click on that, and then you'll see that we can change the font that we want to use as well as the size of the font, and we can also change the color. Now I'm going to be working with white, as white usually looks best and it's the best color to use for the watermark effect. So I click on the picture and then I type my text, and I'm just going to click on close right here, and there's my text. Now a very important thing to note is that when you type on the picture it will create a new layer for you right here. What's cool about this is that you can now move this layer across the screen. So when I move the mouse pointer, look at the mouse pointer there, as soon as I move it onto the picture, onto the text, it's creating a little move icon. So when I click on the move icon, it opens the text editor, but I can move this around the screen, which is very nice. So I can put my name right there in the corner if I want to. Just click on close and voila, there's my name on the picture. And if I don't like it there, I can just move it somewhere else. Or say I want to make it much larger and create a watermark effect. I can click on it and I can move it, say, to here. I'm just going to click on this close right here, and then I've got the size, and when I click on size it enlarges the text. Now I must just drag this block right here to make it bigger like that, and then I can just click on the text right here and it will visually show me how big the text is. And that's perfect. So now I can move this text, say, in the middle of the screen like that, and then just click on close. And now to get the watermark effect, it's really very simple. When you look here, we've got our picture, which is the background layer, and then we've got the text layer. Now just above that we've got the opacity, and opacity is telling this layer how to interact with this one. So if I take the opacity down, then only a certain amount of this layer will display on the background layer. So look what happens when I start to take down the opacity. You'll notice that the text is becoming more and more faded. So there at like, say, 14.3% or 11%, the text is barely visible. And if we go to our navigation and we zoom in a bit closer, you can look at the effect up and close, and that looks very nice. I can go back to my layers and I can maybe increase it a bit and go back to navigation. I can move across the text, and there you can see the picture coming through the text, and we've got a very nice watermark effect. And that's all for working with the text tool. In the next video, our final video, we are going to look at borders, and we're going to use the exact same picture, and I'll see you in the next video.